Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm really excited because I want to share something incredible that I recently discovered. While researching YouTube trends, I found a niche that is exploding right now. And trust me, the numbers will shock you. This niche is getting millions and millions of views, gaining huge subscriber growth, and the creators behind it are making thousands of dollars every single month. And yes, I'm talking about the one and only Minecraft niche, one of the fastest growing categories on the entire platform. Every time you open YouTube, you'll see Minecraft videos dominating the trending page. Some creators post simple gameplay, some post funny moments, some do storytelling. And almost every single video crosses hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. It's unbelievable how viral this niche has become. What's even crazier is that many of these channels started with zero experience, no face cam, and very basic editing. But they still blew up because the demand for Minecraft content is massive. Kids, teens, even adults love watching it. The audience is global, the content is evergreen, and the competition is huge, but the opportunity is even bigger. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this niche is so powerful, how these channels are generating so much revenue, and how you can also start creating Minecraft content that actually gets views. Whether you want to grow fast, make passive income, or build a long-term channel, this niche can literally change your YouTube journey. So make sure to watch the video till the end, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful tips, and let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, let's jump straight into ChatGPT. All you need to do is take a screenshot of the Minecraft channel or video that you want to recreate, paste it here inside ChatGPT, and simply write a few lines like, "I want to create Minecraft niche videos and YouTube shorts exactly like this. Please give me a prompt that keeps the same Minecraft character style, the same animation style, and the same visual consistency across all videos." And within seconds, literally just a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a complete, high-quality prompt for you. Not just any prompt, but a fully detailed, powerful prompt that gives you the exact Minecraft style you want, the same character design in every video, consistent backgrounds and animation, and scene-by-scene descriptions so your videos look professional. This is the best part. ChatGPT doesn't just give a random prompt. It gives you a prompt that matches the exact style of the screenshot you pasted. That means your content will look similar to the viral Minecraft channels that are getting millions of views. So if you're trying to grow your YouTube Shorts channel fast, or you want to enter the Minecraft niche with consistent brand-style videos, this method is perfect for you. Just upload the screenshot, tell ChatGPT what you want, and it instantly creates a ready-to-use prompt that you can copy and generate unlimited Minecraft videos. This is how creators are making thousands of dollars a month. Simple workflow, consistent design, and smart use of AI. Now let's move straight into CapCut. And trust me, this part is going to absolutely blow your mind. There's a reason I'm telling you to use CapCut directly, so please watch this section till the end, because what I'm about to show you is genuinely powerful. CapCut recently introduced two next-level features, AI Image and AI Video. These tools are game-changing, especially for creators who want fast, professional results without any complicated editing. So first, tap on the AI Image option. Paste the Minecraft prompt that we copied earlier from ChatGPT. Now, from the list of AI models, select Nano Banana Pro. This model is extremely famous right now and trending everywhere for its clean, vibrant, and modern results. Choose your aspect ratio and simply hit Generate. And honestly, I was shocked. Like seriously, oh my God, within a few seconds, CapCut generated 4 incredible Minecraft-style images for me. Each one had a different color theme, different environment, different lighting, and the creativity was just next level. I literally had no words. It looked exactly like the viral Minecraft channels on YouTube. But you know me, I always test more options. So I switched to another model inside CapCut called Flux, and this one took things even further. Flux creates images that look ultra-sharp, realistic, highly detailed, and beautifully polished. Every single output was shining with quality. The textures, the colors, the depth, everything looked absolutely stunning. This new AI engine inside CapCut is honestly mind-blowing. Just imagine, you can create unlimited Minecraft-style images for your shorts, long videos, thumbnails, animations, storytelling clips, anything, with one single prompt and one single click. No expensive software, no heavy editing, no complicated steps, just simple, fast, powerful AI right inside your phone. If you're planning to grow in the Minecraft niche, this is a complete game changer. It saves time, gives you consistent style, and helps you create content that looks professional and viral ready. This is why I always say, the tools are already here. You just need to use them smartly. Now, let's come straight into the video section inside CapCut. And trust me, this is where the real magic begins. CapCut gives you two powerful AI tools here: image to video, text to video. Both are absolutely amazing and extremely easy to use. So let's start with the image to video feature. All you have to do is upload the image you created earlier. No need for any prompt, no extra effort. CapCut already has multiple video models available, like Sora, Veo 3, and many other advanced options. The model I selected is Veo 3 because it's famous for smooth motion, high-quality frames, and super realistic animation. Once you select your aspect ratio, just click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. And after that short wait, you will see pure magic. Just look at the video results. The movement, the clarity, the lighting, the smooth transitions, even the voice support if you enable it, everything is on another level. Honestly, what can I even say? It's totally mind-blowing results, right from a simple image. Now let's move to the second feature, text to video. Here, I simply pasted the Minecraft prompt again, selected the same video model Veo 3, chose my ratio, and clicked on Generate. Within 1 minute, again, pure magic. Boom! The result was absolutely perfect. Quality motion voice style. Everything matched the original prompt like a professional studio-level animation. Then I even tested a completely different prompt using a different model. And guess what? The result was still sharp, clean, colorful, and totally amazing. CapCut's new AI update is honestly on another level. So please, watch this video till the end and take full advantage of these features. And for those who are using the Pro version, don't worry man, enjoy it. You have even more advanced tools unlocked. CapCut also gives you tons of editing options, effects, transitions, sound effects, text, animations, music, and so many more features to make your video look professional. So don't skip anything. Use this update, experiment with different models, and create videos that look high quality, cinematic, and 100% viral ready. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue exploring more powerful tools inside CapCut.